Okay, second hour, here we go. This is 10 through 14, ready? So these are the tough problems being worked out right here. Notice on number 10 that there are 4 terms, so I'm going to group these guys with those guys, okay? So I'm going to factor out what I can, like that. So then that would be just an x and then a 4, and then I'm going to factor out a 5, but it's going to be a negative 5. And would you looky there, those guys, hang on a second, highlighter tool is not wanting to highlight. Oh, come on. This will make for a great video if the highlighter doesn't work. Still waiting, still waiting, still waiting. Hang on. Really? Is it going to be like that all the time? Okay, there we go, there we go. Okay, so notice that this matches that. And that's what you wanted for grouping, okay? Now, hopefully we can go back to pen. So then that's going to be 3x squared minus 5 and x plus 4, factoring by grouping, okay? So that was number 10. Going, gone. All right, number 11. I'm going to factor the top, the difference of perfect squares. I'm going to keep the bottom the same. And then I'm going to factor out just an x here. And then the bottom, I'm just going to factor, what, x plus 4, x minus 3. And then just going to cancel out this with that. And is there anything else that can get canceled out? Well, that was kind of lame-o, yeah? Oh, x with that. So then the top is just x plus 3 minus x minus 3. And then the bottom is just going to be an x and an x plus 4. That's how I did that one. All right. Number 12. Same thing, but I'm going to flip this dude, right? I'm just going to flip that. So this guy would become x plus 2, x minus 2, all over x minus 2. And then I'm going to flip this, take out a 4, and leave this guy as a, oh, well, that was doggone easy. So then this is going to cancel out there. This is going to cancel out there. And then all you're left with is that. Okay, pretty easy. You can always pause the video. Then number 13, now I have to get like a common denominator. Well, this guy is x plus 3, x plus 3, which means over here, I'm going to need an extra x plus 3. Don't forget to distribute. There we go. So did this one change? No. Did this one change? Yeah. Okay, and then I can combine the 4 and I can combine the 4 and the 15. I'm scared to use the highlighter tool, so it's just going to be what? 5x plus 19 over this guy. If you wanted to write that as x plus 3 quantity squared, that would be fine also, yeah? Okay. And then the last one, number 14, that bell is not for you. I'm going to have to multiply this guy by x minus 2 over x minus 2. I'm going to have to multiply this guy by x squared minus 4 over x squared minus 4. Okay, so hopefully that's what you saw today in class. So it's going to be x plus x minus 2 all over x minus 2, and then one big fraction bar, and it's going to be 3 plus x squared minus 4, hello, 3 plus x squared minus 4 all over x squared minus 4. Okay, so then the top really doesn't change. It becomes a 2x plus minus 2. And then the bottom becomes, what is that? X squared minus 1 all over x squared minus 4. And then remember, I'm dividing by a fraction, which is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. Like that. So now I'm going to factor out a 2. Oh, wait. Do I want to do that? Yeah, let's do that. And then I'm going to factor this dude into x plus 2, x minus 2. And on the bottom, it's going to be what? X minus 2, and then x plus 1, x minus 1. And then hopefully we can cancel out some stuff. This goes with that. This goes with that. And then are we done with that? Yeah. 2, x plus 2, all over x plus 1. That was a very lame video. 6 minutes. There you go. That is the last whatever we just did. 5 problems explained to you. I will also post a picture of the answer key. Oh, goodbye.